How to Do the Work by Nicole LePera is a straightforward guide to self-care and self-discovery. The book is written in a clear and concise manner, making it easy to understand and follow. A powerful tool for those looking to improve their mental and emotional well-being, How to Do the Work is a must-read for anyone looking to take control of their life. The book is written by Nicole LePera, a licensed therapist and self-care expert, who takes the reader through a step-by-step process for identifying and addressing negative thought patterns, emotions, and behaviours. The book is divided into 3 sections: Understanding the Mind, the Work, and Living the Work. The book begins by providing an overview of the mind and how it works. The author then introduces the work, a method for identifying and questioning negative thoughts. The reader is then guided through a series of exercises to help them apply the work to their own lives. The final section of the book is focused on incorporating the work into daily life, and how to maintain progress. How to Do the Work is a powerful tool for self-improvement. The author's writing style is easy to understand and follow, making the book accessible to a wide range of readers. The book is also well organized and easy to navigate. However, some readers may find the exercises in the book to be repetitive, and others may find the book's focus on self-care to be too simplistic. I highly recommend How to Do the Work for anyone looking to improve their mental and emotional well-being. The book is a well-written, easy-to-follow guide that provides valuable insights and practical exercises for achieving self-awareness and self-care. I rate it 4 out of 5 stars. We would love to hear your feedback. Please subscribe, like, share our video review, and please don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you.